Hello everyone in the world, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. It's me Zaki, your teacher. Today we're going through the reading section. So today we're going to talk about how to read and what to read and how can I learn vocabularies and many things. So let's start with how to read. Well, there are two methods of reading. One called skim, the other called scan. Skim and scam. So what that mean? Well, skim means to read the paragraph very quickly, and just to get the main idea of what it's talking about. Is it talking about food? Is it talking about an astronaut? What it's talking about? Who is the main actor? What is the main idea? Second reading called scan. Yes, scan, it means scanning, searching for information. So you're not only learning simple things like skim, but you're learning many things like scanning. So you're searching for information and you're learning a lot. So what to read? Very simple question. Read short stories. You are beginner or intermediate, so you want to improve your knowledge very easily without thinking too much. Because if you're gonna read a long book, you're gonna say, wow, that's really long and I can't continue all that. So it's gonna be a problem, right? It's gonna be a problem. So read, short stories. That will help you a lot. Read short stories if you get bored easily. Remember, reading is very important. Learn when you are not bored. Read what you are interested in. So if you are interested in cooking, read about cooking. If you are interested in learning a language, read about a language. If you're interested in learning how to drive a car, read about that. Remember, don't memorize every word you see, because that's really frustrating thing. It's very hard, like that. So if you want to learn many vocabulary on the way, just read them while you're reading the first time, the second time, the third time. If you see this word you don't understand, type it down below. Okay? Remember, don't translate the words into your native language. Why? Because there are many words in English that do not exist in your native language. So when you think, well, I'm trying to find my way out, I'm trying to translate this word into my native language, and there's no translation, or maybe there are many wrong translations. So if you don't understand a word in English, put it in a dictionary like Oxford dictionaries or dictionary.cambridge.org, whatever, online. Thank you for watching and hope see you soon.